At the halfway stage, 102 for 1. Some of the supporters of the CCL there. And those are the directors of CCL. If there's anyone you need to be thankful for these lovely pictures and this lovely tournament, it's them. And what a magnificent job they've done, Charu.
You know, it's all very well for them to come stand around here and watch the proceedings, but can you imagine the kind of hard work behind this project? Incredible. And of course they've stuck with it. This is season number 2, and hopefully they are enjoying the fruits of their labor. It is bigger, it is better cricket inside the field, more crowds, some terrific ratings, I believe, Rohan, thanks to your addition to the commentary.
Oh yeah! That's gone. That is bold, and that is just the breakthrough the Mumbai Heroes needed. Well done, Sachin Joshi. Take a bow. You've come to the teams when the team needed you.
Well, aren't they delighted? So a big breakthrough for the Mumbai Heroes. Sachin didn't do very much. Got the line right, not much spin, just a bit. And Dhruv tried to rock back, cut it through the offside. Not such a clever option in the end. Done better to get in line, but well done, Sachin. Big breakthrough. Dhruv was threatening to cut loose. Gone for 34 from 28. The Karnataka Bulldozers 102 for 2.
Pradeep, the new man in. The Karnataka Bulldozer just lost Dhruv. Dhruv played really well for his 34, just of 28 deliveries. He's the one who initially was the aggressor. Played a few aggressive shots before Rajiv got into his stride.
But Pradeep's got a 57. Got him a man of the match. Can also bowl rather well, Pradeep. So another good replacement for the Karnataka Bulldozers. He's a big boy, Pradeep, but at times the ball doesn't seem to go as far as you'd think he'd hit it. So perhaps his timing needs to be improved. He's walked in at the end the fall of a wicket. And oh, Sachin, where were you bowling the first ball? Way down leg. Needed to be a better delivery. Certainly have gotten rid of a few nerves that Pradeep might have had in the semi-final encounter. And here it is again. Dhruv trying to work it through the offside. Missed it by a mile.
Half cracker, and that's massive. Rajiv only seems to be dealing in the currency of boundaries and sixes right now, Charu. He's not bothering to run. He just wants to stand there and smack the ball out of the ground.
Well, that was a little short, but I must say, what heart to play that. Because just lost a wicket. You might think that he'll tap it around for a couple of singles before things settle down. But he went through it, and it was massive. Yeah, look at it. All the way into the stands. On the west side. Boy, what a stroke. Rajiv. Oh, what kind of bat are you playing with?
Oh, super fielding by Captain Shetty. He patrols that area very well. Always throws himself around, uses every part of his body to stop the ball. And that's the kind of commitment which you want to see from your captain. And that's the kind of effort which raises the intensity of the entire team.
And that despite, mind you, the fact that he was pretty badly injured in the first part of the second season. Didn't play quite most of the matches, had I think a major groin problem. And well, he seems to have recovered enough to be slipping and diving around. Did very well, did Sunil Shetty. Hallmark of a good leader.
What that fielding effort also showed, Charu, was that he's not thinking about the really bad over he bowled previously, because he was on the ball, completely focused, and his anticipation was really good. So it just goes to show that he's focused in the now, not thinking about what happened in the previous delivery or the previous over.
Pradeep will get to 2 runs with that single. 11 gone. It's 111 for 2.